What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Haunt You by Lil Peep. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and once you're done with the video, check the description below. I've left a link there for you guys for a free ebook I'm giving away called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. The ebook is just a little gift I like to give away to everybody new coming to the channel and checking out the content. It's great for all skill levels, so once you're done with the video, go grab your free ebook. But for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so starting with the chords for the song, the first chord is a variation of an E minor, so it's going to be your index finger on your second fret on your D string, and then your ring finger on your third fret on your B string. That's the second to skinniest one right there. That's your first chord. Now your second chord is going to be a C, and the way you're going to play that is you have to bar this entire third fret starting with the A string. You don't have to worry about the thickest string or low E. Just bar all all 5 strings starting with your A string there. You're going to put your ring finger on your 5th fret on your D string, and then your pinky finger right underneath that on your 5th fret on your G string. Next chord is a G, and the way you're going to play that, it's very simple. You take that same formation, you move everything down 1 string, barring this entire 3rd fret now, including your low E string. Your ring finger is going to be on your 5th fret on your A string, and your pinky finger is going to be on your 5th fret on your D string. And then you're going to set your middle finger on your 4th fret on your G string right there. And then your last chord is a variation of a D. Leave your ring finger right where it is on that 5th fret on the A string, and then move your middle finger up, well, technically down 1 string to the 4th fret on your D string. And it's just those 2 strings, and then also your G string. That's how that should sound. Now the picking can be a little bit tricky. I'm going to try and explain this the easiest way possible. I'm gonna explain it using the string name. So if you don't know your going from thickest to thinnest, your strings are E, and then A, D, G, B, E. Okay, again, from thickest to thinnest, thickest is E, second thickest is A, third thickest is D, 4th is G, 5th is B, 6th is E again. Now for your first chord, you're picking 4 strings, but the number of times you're picking is going to be 5. And what I mean by that is you start with your low E, then you pick your D that your index finger is on, then your G, which is open, it's in between your index finger and your ring finger. Then you pick your ring finger string, which is that B, and then you pick the G string again. And that looks like this. Moving on to your C, where you're barring this entire fret, starting with the A string. Here, you're picking, that's just 4 strings. It starts with the A string, your second thickest string, then it just goes, you picking down the 4 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4. So starting with your E, and then moving on to your C. That's the first 2. Your G is kind of similar to your E minor in that you're picking 4 strings but 5 times. You're starting with the low E. Your first 3 strings it's the same way as your C. You're picking just down the first 3. 1, 2, 3. You're gonna skip the G string and pick the B string, and then go back to your D string. So it sounds like this. So you don't that string you don't pick at all. You skip right over that, and it goes. And then for your last D chord, this one's the easiest out of all of them. It's just these 3 strings you pick the A string, the D string, G string, and then the D string again. So again, all together it looks like this. One more time. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and also go get your free ebook in the description below. If this video is helpful for you, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Also, leave any questions or comments or concerns that you have in the comment section below. Also, any other songs that you would like me to teach you, leave those in the comment section below as well, and we'll see you guys in the next video.